hope he does not see this on the internet.
My breasts for support.
Oh my god. That's a conclusive report on what made everything bad. Like, she literally listed everything. YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Clicked, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be taking a video from Shits and Gigs podcast, and the title is "What Made Him Bad in Bed." So it's basically girls, or ladies tweeting or sending messages about what made an experience bad for them. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. You can do that right now, like ASAP. Turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these scenarios that occurred, man. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
As per.
Okay, bet. Let's go.
So
Everybody went in.
Report. Bad kisser kept licking my neck like an animal grooming its kid.
Yo, that I'm just thinking immediately. All I'm seeing is a cat and a kitten.
Yuck.
Couldn't finger properly. He bit my clit. Poor upper
fuck.
body strength, so we kept leaking.
Oh my god, the lady said poor upper body strength. That's. I hope he doesn't read this shit. I hope he does not see this on the internet.
My breasts for support.
Oh my god, that's a conclusive report on what made everything bad. Like, she literally listed everything out. That is fucked.
That's jokes.
Poor upper body strength.
That's
Some
fucked.
of the descriptive words.
That's what I'm saying, like,
use to
if she put that shit out-
To annihilate the male species.
poor upper body strength.
If she put that shit out like a Google review, that guy would never get another smash, bro.
That's poor.
That's
poor.
fucking
From
hard.
anybody.
Get to lean on my breast for support.
Oh, lay.
Oh,
Fuck's
peaks.
sake.
Open his eyes when kissing.
Yeah, to be fair.
She said 0 foreplay, not even kissing. Stuck it in me and asked me why I'm tight and dry.
Who the fuck would ask that? Who in the lifespan of their... Oh my god. That is kind of stupid. Like, that's kind of embarrassing.
Excuse me.
Uh...
Shadi said, why
Why
are you tight and
why are
dry?
you dry?
Both.
You know we're having sex.
Like, wet up.
Boinking hard, and you're Sahara
fucking
dry. What's
done
going on?
this, bro. Play your part.
That shit is...
Play your part.
That shit is funny.
This chick put couldn't take constructive criticism.
I mean...
I just want to laugh at it.
It really depends on how you say stuff to certain people, right? And it goes for both, like, you know, guys and girls. Like, if I'm sorry if I'm rude to a girl about something, she's gonna feel a way about it. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know.
Sometimes it is tough. To be fair, it depends on what someone's definition of constructive criticism.
Yeah, because that shit.
because
Could,
there's
everybody receives that shit differently. Is the
I
thing.
don't mind instructional stuff. If it's like a harder, faster, slower, left, right.
right there.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
there, right there.
There, right there is
That's-
what I like.
Hey,
Yeah.
come on, that's
Yeah.
that's something.
That's
But
fine.
If it's like a look, you seem to think that I enjoy this, and I'm not sure why. I don't know what those other bitches like, but
Oh
this
my
is
god! Yeah,
people.
I'll just cut.
So if you could just, like stop doing that,
Yeah.
and actually like learn how to fuck, that would be great.
Oh, yeah, flaccid,
Yeah,
man.
I'll bang.
Flaccid.
She wouldn't make it halfway through a sentence before I'm
Yeah, it's
sorry.
I'm out.
Too much talk.
Yeah.
That's too. I mean, my dick's inside and you're talking way too much.
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm thinking. You're talking
That's a lecture.
way too much. My dick's inside you.
You shouldn't be able to talk like this.
You shouldn't be able to making these cognitive
Yeah.
sentences.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
should be able to flow your way through a sentence like
yeah,
this.
you're too coherent and I don't like it.
We're off.
I generally don't like
We're
it.
off.
That's jokes.
One chick book, he doesn't give head. And I think that's so poor.
It
That's
is
Man.
so poor.
It is
To
poor.
each their own. You niggas can't be
It is
talking to
actually
other
poor,
niggas like that.
It needs to get sussed and addressed.
Because I just don't understand.
Man said sussed and
We've
addressed.
spoken about this before. I think on the last, maybe the last YouTube episode before about giving head back in the day in school and stuff, like how we said, oh, if you're in secondary school, you can never say, oh, you were giving head, blah, blah, blah. Obviously, that was then. Like, this is now. Regardless of the age of whoever sent this in or whoever.
There's no doubt that this is now. Whatever a nigga feels comfortable doing, let him do his thing. You niggas should not be talking about. I don't think anybody should be saying, oh, what a nigga should or shouldn't do with his girl. I think that's fucking weird. I would never get into that.
The guy is, the recipient is. Big man, just where it's 2022. Like, if you're having sex, just give head.
Literally
bro.
give head. It's not even.
We're not asking for much, you know.
Listen to this,
They're not
man.
asking for much. We're not asking. We're just
do
what you
eat
need
some
to
pom.
do. Eat
Literally
some pom.
eat some pom.
Suck some
These
dick.
niggas are
Just
fucking
do
weird.
head. Like,
It's standard.
It's so
It's like
basic.
a lips at this point.
It is.
No,
Like,
it's
a
not.
lips at this
When
point.
I hear,
No, it's
when
not.
I hear
No, it's
he or
not.
she doesn't give head, I literally hear
It's
they
not.
don't kiss me before they fuck me, and I'm like,
What are you talking about?
Literally, what?
What are you
I don't
actually
agree.
talking about? Like,
Mad.
It's
Y'all niggas do what you want to do. Other niggas do what they want to
No
do.
wonder women are sick of us. 'Cause it's childish behavior.
It is still.
They're looking for fucking props saying shit like this.
He tried to grip my neck and couldn't gather the strength. He started to shake.
How big is your neck? No, I don't believe this. I don't believe this. How? Nah, I don't believe that. That's wicked.
Nah, fam. Please stop. He started to shake. The muscle.
It's kinda wild.
He just couldn't handle it anymore.
That's
Jesus Christ,
embarrassing
yawn.
still.
Grab me. If you're gonna grab me, fucking grab me. Be stronger. Be a male.
Fuck. No waistline, just in and out was extremely boring. No foreplay, lack of affection, no girth, silence, less than 10 minutes.
That's a
Bro,
bullet point
Bro, no foreplay, lack of affection.
Yeah, some
no
of these
girth,
girls are thorough with
silence,
what they're saying they're not getting.
thing. No girth.
No
silence.
less than 10 minutes.
Oy, yeah.
That's not an experience, man.
Okay. This is a random round. This is not actually not random. I don't know why I said random because it's completely relevant to this. I think we've probably had this conversation. What's a good length of time
For foreplay or for sex?
for actual sex? Because
I think this depends on who the person is to you
I'm talking about
and what it is. If it's like a quickie or something like that, or you know what I'm saying? Because there's no way somebody's gonna randomly. I'm not wasting my energy randomly hooking up with somebody for fucking an hour and shit, bro. Like, niggas got places to be. You know what I'm saying? We're not here for love. You get me?
sex, like actual intercourse,
yeah.
not foreplay, then intercourse, then sucking dick again, and then a bit of fingering, and then fucking again. Like that can go on for
The
like
whole
an
act
hour.
can go for
Yeah,
an hour,
I'm talking about from when I've given head, you've given head, and I've stuck it in, and I'm not stopping.
Yeah.
I'm only changing positions.
Yeah, no one's giving head anymore.
Yeah, no one's giving head anymore. There's
Yeah.
no pauses.
Yeah.
No one's pulling out. No one's doing anything. We are actually fucking now.
I think that also depends on the girl. Some girls don't like to have sex for a long time. Some, like, when I say long time, I mean like over fucking 30 minutes. And some are probably like, yeah, 15, 20 minutes, like, after it's like raw or something, like, you know what I'm saying?
None of that.
Yeah.
We are banging. From that point to nutting, like, what's an actual nut? Not taking like this is a good amount of time or a bad. What's a like appropriate amount of time?
I would say 15 to 20.
15 to 20. I feel like 20 is long.
20
'Cause
is a while,
think about
so.
it, I compare it to other stuff.
Okay. Like watching a
You
show.
ran for
Like,
straight,
I
20
compare
minutes
it to,
straight.
Like, how do I explain it?
I think running is a good example. To run for actually 20 minutes straight is wild.
Okay, let's not even that other stuff, but let's talk about other physical activities.
Okay.
Imagine 20 minutes of a football match,
Mm.
and you're one of 11.
Mm-hmm.
You're tired.
Yeah.
Imagine it's just you.
Yeah.
1v1 of anything for 20
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah, it's a long time. Yeah, I agree.
Match.
Oh.
It's like
Yeah.
3-minute rounds.
Yeah, there's
We're
a
talking
reason.
3-minute
Yeah,
rounds.
that's
Get to 20
facts.
minutes, we're talking what?
That's at least 6 rounds.
Six,
That's
7 rounds?
6 rounds. 6 and a bit rounds, yeah.
They get gaps in between.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
Long time.
20
minutes
minutes?
straight,
It's
yeah.
a different form of exertion.
Of course, I'm not talking about being tired.
Of course,
I'm
of
just
course.
saying. But I feel like 20 minutes because I think like, what do I do for 20 minutes? 20
Straight.
minutes is a long time.
Yeah.
Just sit there and actually count it or whatever, yeah. It is a long time.
Yeah. And because I'm stroking at what? I'm talking. Yeah, let me find my cadence.
Yeah.
This guy's a fucking idiot.
I'm trying to find my 20-minute cadence because I've got different cadences.
Yeah,
for
yeah, different
things.
positions,
Yeah.
different.
Yeah, this is my 4-minute cadence. 20-minute cadence?
You're Yeah, it's slow and deep.
It's slow and deep.
It's slow and deep.
This is what because I think I've got ADHD.
Okay.
Because when you
I
tell me,
feel like I know I've got ADHD.
because
But
when you're
Mm.
telling me 20 minutes and I'm thinking of this cadence, I'm
That's a
thinking,
long
I'm
fucking
so
time.
bored.
Yeah.
Because I can't keep that cadence up for long.
Oh no, neither can I.
We're gonna have to go for it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm either. It depends. To be fair, it depends what mindset I'm in. If I'm trying to leave
True.
an impression, 20 minutes. Yeah, we're
True.
doing up down cadences. We're doing obviously bare positions, and I'm trying to.
That makes sense.
We're trying to pattern a nut for you, like once, maybe twice, before these 20 minutes are up. But if we're just going, if this is the 19th time,
That is dead.
20 minutes. Promise you on board. Promise you on board. I haven't got time for that cadence.
Yeah.
If we're in a relationship now.
Basically,
Yeah, I haven't got time.
Like I
for
said,
cadence.
it's a relationship thing. It's
I'd rather
different.
go multiple rounds than do like 20 half an hour.
Yeah.
I'd like a wholesome between 7 and 13 minutes.
Okay, just banging.
Yeah, from obviously, if we're doing
7
bare
and
other
13
stuff,
minutes. Yeah.
we could be talking half an hour, 45.
Yeah, I said 15 minutes.
hour,
15
like,
minutes.
If I'm really
About
like, I've got some drink in my belly.
Yeah.
Anything is possible.
Flying. But yeah, I'm talking. If we're in a relationship,
Again, that's 7 to 13.
7 to 13.
Okay.
7 to 13.
Okay.
Because I wanna catch you on your way out of the toilet or something like that. I wanna catch you doing up some dishes, and it's just a little, then a little 6-7 minute there.
Yeah.
If it's bedtime, I'm a bit tired.
Fact.
13.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
I'm
13.
tired.
I'm thinking we don't need to be up all night.
Yeah.
Like, let's just
nut and kiss.
yes.
I think all these things just depend on your mood, to be
This to me
honest,
is
and the
how we
person,
thought.
what the person is to you.
But I don't know.
I would still say 15 to 20 for me, but I understand where you're coming from. Some ladies may disagree. Ladies, in the comments below, let us know what you feel. Obviously, we're thinking of men as men, obviously. Ladies, let us know
that's the only way you can think.
appropriate time or amount of time for just penetration.
Yeah, I think it's
and this
different
is
from
actually
girl to girl.
Not a good time, not a bad time.
Just an
average
appropriate time. What you think would be good for you. So yeah, let us know in the comments. I think I've got one more.
All right, yeah, sorry, I forgot this is even
it's
still in the thread.
minor, bro. I love tangents. So I got 3 more.
Go on.
So the question again was, sorry, what made him bad in bed? And acting like my clip was the analog stick on a PlayStation controller.
Wow.
Didn't go down all 4.
Yo.
Stopped 3 times during sex because he was tired and thought, and then patted himself on the back when I came without his help. Last one.
What does a pat on the back look like?
Yeah, is it
in
really
that
one of
scenario?
these?
But he did nothing.
He's like,
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
23 with erectile dysfunction and was delusional about it.
yeah. Hey man, you know I be seeing beer commercials about that shit. Apparently, it happens to a lot of people.
Swear.
Damn.
Erectile dysfunction and was
Delusional about it.
I mean, he's 23.
Bro.
Man, what 23-year-old would want to admit something like that?
Was delusional about it.
That's the thread about what